Hello, Brendan here again with our FluVac template. And so far we've got one for our smartphone app with a heading, wording, a button for patients to be able to call the practice with, and an option below for them to decline their vaccinations. That's all fine, but at the moment we only have a template for patients who have the app. So you can see we've only got this little black obelisk here. And that's fine, but it does mean that we're going to limit how many patients we can reach. And you won't want to have to go through resending the same campaign several times over if we can reach everyone in one go. So we're going to add a text template to our smart message. So I'm going to edit this. So far we've been in the smart section of this, but if we look over to the left, there is a text section. And here we complete what our wording will be if it's sent by text. So say something along the lines of, dear first name. There. Dear first name, you're eligible for a free flu vaccination. Call the practice on number to book yours, or reply decline if you do not want to be vaccinated. We can amend all our typos in here. Many phones will allow a user to press and hold on a phone number in the handset. Not every phone, but many. So it now means that when we go to use this in a campaign, if a patient has got the app, then they will receive the message with the images on it. If they don't, and they're just going to receive a text, then we can see down below in our message preview what that should look like. To help with our campaign, when we use it, it would also be useful for us to have our reply options ready set. So if we go to add a response template and we add in vaccination 1, we'll see we have our options appear at the bottom of the page. Now these aren't going to appear in the text message themselves. If we look in our preview, we can see that it hasn't got any extra wording here. This will just become more of a memory aid when you use the campaign message itself, because when you go into adding your coding, it'll already have an option there for do you want to code when patients send decline. So with that in place, we can save our changes. And we're back to this page. We can now see that we've got our smartphone template and we've got a text template.